Welcome friends. So friend, in previous video we have made this search box in our index.html page. So this is the search box which we made in previous video. So in this video we will stylize it. So friend, I start it right under this contact form ends, or I go above. I can also stylize it right under this nav tag, because this search box is inside the nav tag. So, but I think it will look better if I stylize here. So friend, here I will begin to write the code. First of all, I will make a comment. Search box starts, Control D, and here I write ends, Control S to save. And inside these two comments I will begin to stylize it. So friend, first of all I will call that ID, because I show you that I gave this ID. This is that ID. Control C to copy, and I paste it. Control V, TF, new search. So I make two curly brackets, and inside these brackets I will stylize it. Float right, margin right, pixel, enter, and I also give some margin top 7 pixel and semicolon to close. So now friend, after styling this class, I go to my Chrome browser and refresh this page. So you see that it has come here on the right side and right into the middle of this navigation bar, and it is looking in this way. Once again I go back to my Notepad++ code editor and I press enter. So friend, now I will stylize the second class, which is this one. I copy TF text input, Control C to copy. I go to my style.css, make a dot sign and Control V to paste. So I make two curly brackets, press enter, and inside these curly brackets I will stylize it. First I will give margin 0, padding 5 pixel and 15 pixel, space 5 pixel, space 15 pixel, font family, space Arial, comma HEL Helvetica, comma, and sans serif, semicolon to close. So friend, now I come down and I define it is font size 14 pixel, press enter, also give some border to it, border 1 pixel, solid, hash 007 6A CA, not comma, semicolon, and I also give some border radius to it. Border, not the border radius, border right, I should use border right 0 pixel. Press enter, and now I give some border slash top slash left slash radius column 5 pixel space 5 pixel and semicolon to close. I press enter. Now I give border slash bottom slash left slash radius column, the same border of 5 pixel space 5 pixel and semicolon to close. So now friend, after stylizing this TF text input class, I press Ctrl S to save and go here to my browser to see that what changing has been happened here on it. So I refresh. So you see that its size has been increased and there is little border inside it has been come. So now once again I come here, and now friend, I will call the TF button class. This is the TF button class. So I Ctrl C to copy it. I go to my style.css page and I press enter dot Ctrl V and I make these two curly brackets. So friend, here I write first margin 0. But friend, I would like to tell you that there are a lot of properties will be used in this TF button. So this class will become very lengthy. So I think I should come in next class to write all the properties inside this class TF button.